Okay, hi. Welcome back to English Blackboard Teachers channel and welcome to Teachers English class. Today we are going to look at the aspect called reading comprehension, an important component in your PT3 examination. Okay, so first thing is, let me explain the section. Okay, it is in part 4 of your reading paper. It's from question 25 to 34. The total marks allocated is 10 marks, and question 33 and 34 is about identifying meaning words. Now let's look into the steps to answer reading comprehension. This part is very difficult because students think that they need to read the whole text, they need to have the reading skills, but no, there are 4 amazing steps that you can practice to excel in this session. So let's look into each step. Step 1 is all about reading the questions. So when you reach this section, remember not to read the text first, but read the questions. Okay, so when you see the reading questions, you will either have WH questions or some parts in the questions missing. So for WH questions, always remember, identify similar words in the question with the reading text to answer the questions. Okay, so now we look at step 3, which is identifying similar phrase. Okay, this step can be used when you need to answer questions where certain parts of the questions are missing. So you find the same phrase from the question in the reading text to find the missing parts. Okay, so now we look at the last step, which is step 4. We refer to the section or the question 33 and 34, which is the meaning word. So one word only should be filled up in the meaning box, and the word should be taken from the reading text. So this part, you need to build on your vocabulary knowledge, which is synonyms. How to score? Okay, first, answers not more than 5 words. Second, focus on question 25 to 32 if your vocabulary is not good. Always do a lot of worksheets and past year papers. Avoid spelling errors and just use the answers from the text if your language is not good. Okay, so that is all for today's lesson. We'll see students again in the next lesson. For free worksheet materials, please click the link in the description below to get access to some free worksheets on reading comprehension.